think about it like this. I have a Ring doorbell.
Yep.
Okay.
So it's funny because you have a Ring doorbell.
I do.
But you haven't considered a dash cam for your car.
No, because
like
my Ring doorbell is meant so that not only can I see who comes to my door,
yep,
but I can also yell at people through the thing.
Do you do that often?
Yeah. I like to like.
Oh, look, the Ring has a new car cam. $250 seems like a lot.
I just don't. And then you're gonna have to pay like the cloud service.
That seems like a lot of money, honestly.
So like, listen, I think there's one really good use for a dash cam, and that's like you said, the if an accident is to occur forward of you.
Yep. Well, no, but these dash cams, I'm pretty sure these dash cams also can get rear. It's a 360 cam, so it can get different
So
angles.
now I have a camera that's recording to the cloud that wants to watch me, sing in the car.
Yes.
I don't know, man.
Yeah.
I'm just not sure. Like, I don't know.
I'm not sure either.
I just don't know if I need that. But anyhow, bottom line, yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy right there. That woman, she, I don't need that. Like, but let's go back to the Ring cam. Let's go to the Ring cam, the dash cam.
Regular dash cam, yeah.
I think the situation in a sense where you are going to have a camera that's going to work forward of you.
Okay. And
has the ability to capture some mishap that may happen in front of you. Maybe it indemnifies you from an accident that takes place that you're a participant in, right? Like, do I think that there's use or value? Yes, of course. But at this juncture, I haven't ever been like, I need to get one of these because, right? And I really don't know anybody that does either.
Here, I'll give you this point then. So, in other words, like, what's like a number one thing a company, businesses or whatever wouldn't want to do is that they don't want to lose money and they want to protect their investments and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's fair to say,
right?
And then so any commercial trucks out there or vehicles, they're all equipped with dash cams, and that's because I guess the companies are trying to protect their assets.
Let me ask you a question.
So if they're taking those steps, like, shouldn't regular civilians? Do you think regular people who drive their personal vehicles? Do you think that they should also have that kind of same mindset?
But let me ask you a question. So if you're a trucker, and let's say you're not a trucker that works for a company, so you own your own rig,
okay,
and you own your own business essentially, and there's a lot of those.
Yeah, I know a friend of mine does that.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you have your dash cam on the thing, and then you fall asleep at the wheel, barrel into something. You're clearly at fault. You take that dash camera and smash it on the ground.
Throw it in the lake.
That's what I'm saying.
It only works when you want it to work.
Right. So you're only going to use it in the event that you are right.
I guess so.
So
unless you are a really, really, what's the word, like,
honest?
Yeah, I don't
even know if there's any of those people left anymore.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.